Okay, let us proceed now for the higher derivatives. Let y is equal to f of x be a differentiable function of x, and let its derivative called the first derivative of the function. Of course, if the given is y is equal to f of x. Okay, therefore, okay, and the derivative of this one, that is what you call the first derivative. We have y prime, or that is also known as the derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, this one, or that is also known as the f prime of x. This one is what you call the first derivative. First derivative of a function. If the first derivative is differentiable, its derivative is called the second derivative. Okay, we have y double prime, that is the second derivative, and this one is the second derivative of y with respect to x, and f double prime of x. This one is known as the second derivative. Second derivative of the original function, and is denoted by these symbols. Now, in turn, the derivative of the second derivative is also called the third derivative. You have y to the third prime. Therefore, this one is the third derivative of y with respect to x. And then, this one is known as the third derivative. That is what that is the reason why we call this one as the higher derivative. Note, the derivative of a given order at a point can exist only when the function and all derivatives of lower order are differentiable at the point. Okay, example. Okay, show that the function of f of x is equal to x to the fourth plus 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Okay. Get for the first derivative, which is f prime x, f double prime x, which is the second derivative, and f to the third prime x. Okay. First, get for the first derivative. We have f prime x using the power formula. Therefore, this one is 4x cubed plus 3 times 2, that is 6x squared, kasi 3 minus 1. This one, 4 minus 1, that is the reason we have 3 here. Minus 3 times 2, therefore that is also 6. 6x, 2 minus 1 is 1. Kaya we have 6x plus 5. Again, the derivative of your 2, which is constant, is 0. This one is the first derivative. Get for the second derivative, we have f double prime x. Okay, again, differentiate this one. We have 4 times 3, that is 12x plus 6 times 2, that is 12x minus x, 6x yan, therefore that is negative 6. Now, for the third derivative, we have f to the third prime x is equal to, what is the derivative of this one? We forgot to write your squared here. Kasi diba, 3 minus 1 is 2. We have 12x squared plus 12x minus 6. Okay. Very good now. Okay, get for the third derivative of this one. We have 12 times 2, that is 24x. Then the derivative of this one is 12 plus 12. And the derivative of 6 is 0. Okay, very good. Okay, another example. Example. F of x is equal to 2 over 1 minus x. And what if the requirement is to find for f double prime x? Okay, first we have f of x equal to 2. Okay, 1 minus x raised to negative 1. Okay, this one, the exponent of this equation is raised to 1. And if we move this one to the numerator, okay, this will become negative 1. Okay, therefore, get the first derivative, f prime x equal to power formula, that is very good, negative 2, 1 minus x, and the derivative of this one is negative 1 kasi we have negative x. Okay, therefore, this one is equal to positive 2, 1 minus x. And what would be the exponent of this one? Negative 1 minus 1. Therefore, this one is negative 2. Therefore, we have 2 times 1 minus x raised to negative 2. Okay, negative 1 times negative 2, positive 2. Okay, the requirement is to get for the second derivative. Therefore, we have f double prime x equal to, again, power formula, 2 times negative 2, that is negative 4. Very good. Okay, we have 1 minus x. What would be the exponent? Negative 2 minus 1, negative 3. What is the derivative of your 1 minus x? That is negative 1. Therefore, the final answer is negative 4 times negative 1. Therefore, that is positive 4 times 1 minus x raised to negative 3, or f double prime x is equal to 4 over 1 minus x raised to the third power. This one is the final answer. Okay. Anong ginawa ko dito? Bakit nag-raise to negative 1? Okay. I-minove ko itong 1 minus x sa numerator provided that the exponent will become negative 1.